Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to do press-ons. You've probably already seen by the title, these are going to be weave nail designs. I've had this design in my to-do list or whatever list that I have for nails for a long time, so I thought let me just do these because I have skipped a week without doing nails because my nails are still fine, so like let me just do press-ons instead. And while I was doing these nails, I was listening to something and I just didn't really feel like talking in the video, so I just thought maybe let me get something to read. So I pulled out this journaling prompt, or rather I looked up journaling prompts on Pinterest, and I thought let me answer these questions in my video. And if you guys feel like you want to answer these questions too, please do leave a comment in the comment section. I really don't mind reading all the comments that you guys leave for me. I actually really appreciate when you guys interact. So the first question here says, what are your most recurring negative thoughts? To be honest, I try to block out anything that is negative, that I feel like is too negative. Okay, here actually when you look at the video, I wanted to use this green, but I just thought it was too green for this color, so I ended up changing my mind. So yeah, okay, anyway, back to the question. So what are your most reoccurring negative thoughts? Yeah, like I said, I really try to block out something that I feel like will bother me. But let me think. Oh my goodness. Losing my mom, I think that would be one thing I really don't want to think about it. I'm not ready to deal with it. I pray it doesn't happen not soon. You know, it's scary. It's a scary thought. That one is the one thing that just came to my mind quickly. But usually when I think about something that is negative to a point where I can feel my emotions change, I block it out. I honestly do. I don't like to think myself into panic. So yeah, I can't really think of anything else. Anyway, which is a good thing actually now I think about it, because if I can't think of any negative thing means I am mostly in a positive space. Even though I've been going through a lot, I try not to think about what I'm going through. Even though I am going through it, it does occur, like it just yeah, you know what I mean. Like I just try not to think too much because I can literally think myself into panic, into a dark hole. So I try not to do that. I'm actually really happy that I'm aware of that now. You know, now that I'm answering this question, I think this is healing. It can be healing, guys. Like you guys should try out journal prompts for yourself, for self-healing, for whatever. But I do that a lot. I used to write a lot, but I don't write as much anymore. So I think this is quite good for me to answer questions in a video. Just let me know what you think. Otherwise, I can stop if it's not something that you guys want to see. Anyway, or want to hear rather. So, what makes you feel overwhelmed? What makes me feel overwhelmed? Yeah, when I don't have a plan. When I feel like I'm a person who likes a plan. I want to say I like routine, but I also like spontaneity here and there. But I'm a person who likes to know what I'm gonna do next. I don't know. I don't even know if this is the right answer, but this is the first thing that came to mind, so I'm gonna stick to it. But yeah, if I feel like I don't know what to do next, and I don't like having life throw me back and forth or left and right or what, I need to know what it is that I'm gonna do next. At least it gives me like a sense of direction. So if I don't know what I'm gonna do next, or I feel like I am stuck in the same place and I don't see where I'm gonna, like I don't see a brighter future with where I am, this is me getting deeper now with just like life purposes and stuff, then yeah, that would make me feel like, what am I doing? Why am I here? What is next? Then I start to feel overwhelmed because I feel like I'm thinking too much. And that's exactly what happened a few months ago actually. If you've been here watching my videos, then you will know that a few months ago, I did say that I had some big life changes, and I was sharing that, but then I ended up just doing a voiceover because I was like, not a lot of people know what's going on in my life right now, so I'd rather keep it that way. And yeah, it's the Scorpio in me, you know. So, but that's exactly what had happened. I just felt stuck. I felt, I couldn't anymore. I just felt so overwhelmed. Like, I just felt like, I don't know if I should go forward, backwards. What should I do? It was just really, it was a tough space to be in. And then I just, decided to just make a huge life change. And I'm really grateful to have done that. Anyway, here, as you can see, you guys, like, this dotting tool just decided to act up, and I'm like, why? But I wasn't shocked. This has happened before. These are dotting tools that I got from Shein. You get what you pay for, guys. You could put glue in them to just secure the little pin on your dotting tool, but I just feel like I don't know why I feel like I don't want to do it, but anyway. And here I decided to speed up the process because this was a long process, especially for a person who was doing this design for the first time. The first few tries were not as easy, but I started to get a hang of it as I was doing different nails. But I only show one nail on camera for the obvious reason that this is like the same design on every nail. Anyway, on to the next question. What are your 4 biggest strengths? My 4 biggest strengths. Okay. Wow. I used to hate these questions, by the way. Like, what are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? I really did not like those questions because I was just like, ugh, Okay, but my 4 biggest strengths, I'd say I am quite a good communicator. So that is my strength. I am communicative. I feel like as much as, okay, I follow zodiac signs a lot. So for Scorpios, I feel like a lot of people feel like Scorpios are mean and stuff. I mean, yes, we may act mean. We do have those traits. I just feel like every person in life has, positive and negative traits. Some are more intense than others, which makes you a mean person if you have more mean moments. But if you're a kind person, you're classified as a kind person if you have more kind moments, kind of thing, right? But I feel like as Scorpio people, we're actually soft people. We're really soft. We just act tough because that's, I don't know, is that a defense mechanism? I don't know. But anyway, I'm derailing. My 4 strengths. Like I said, I really hate these questions. I hate what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. I should have looked at this. But anyway, strengths. I think I am, like I said, I'm a good communicator. So that is my strength. I am also good at reading the room. I can tell if there's an energy in a room that I don't feel like I want to be in, like a space I don't want to be in. I can also read if a room is full of energy that I want to be a part of. So I can say energy reading is also my strength. So that's 2. Third one, I would say math. Math is my strength. I'm good at math. Just not the theory. I don't like proving, the math that you get in varsity where you have to prove theorems and stuff. I'm just like, oh no, can I just solve the problem? Can you just give me a math problem that I can solve, that I can be so proud of at the end of the day that I solved this huge problem? Yeah, so math is my thing. I love math. I did well at math. I'm that girl. And then 4th, the last one, strength. I think arts. I'm very much into, the fact that I even ended up doing nails isn't a surprise for me. I used to sketch a lot. I'm going to try find pictures and put them on screen. Maybe not. I don't know. I'll think about it. Yeah, so the fact that I ended up in arts, drawing, doing my nails, doing my hair. I'm very much into DIY. So I think that is my strength too. And not just in art, but DIY, like even at home. Like if I have I mean, you know, if I have something broken, I can fix it myself kind of thing, you know. I'm a DIYer, so yeah. And then second last question, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to the last question, seeing that the video is coming to an end, but let's see. 3 things you can do to love yourself each day. Okay, three things I can do to love myself each day is to tell myself I love myself. First. That's the first one. Second one, just not be hard on myself. Like anything that I want to do it now and not procrastinate. Like, oh no, I'll do this on a special occasion type of thing, you know. So yeah, like rather do what you want to do or what I want to do right now, because now is the time that I have. And then the third one, I'd say dress up. There are days where I just don't dress up, and you know, if you look good, you'll feel good. And if you feel good, you'll do good. So usually when I'm in a slump and I'm not dressing up, and yeah, I feel it and I just don't feel like doing anything. So I think those are the 3 things I'll do to just show myself. Small things, not even huge things. Anyway, here I was just showing the difference between matte nail and a glossy nail, and I just wanted to compare which one I liked most, but I ended up liking glossy, so I ended up with glossy nails instead. Right, so this is how the nails look on me. I don't have them on properly, I just put on sticky tabs. So as to show how they look on me. But what do you guys think about these nails? I actually like keeping press-ons for emergency, so I'm gonna pop these off right after filming this outro, just to save them, in case of emergency when I really need to change my nails but I don't have the time to. But let me know what you think about these nails in general. Do you think I could have improved them in any other way? Give me some constructive criticism, you guys. If you're still watching this far, please leave any color heart emoji to let me know. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Honey, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.